What's the temp, Rye?
It's a whopping 18 degrees.
It's 18 and dropping, and I think the wind chill's probably somewhere around like 5 degrees.
And Jack is absolutely insane. He is going to take a hot shower in 18-degree weather. It's a little loco.
If you guys see on the map, right here is Larson Slough, but it's basically a lake. I've showed it before. There it is back there. I wonder if we should camp here by the lake.
Wonder if my pee will go frozen.
This is not what we're talking about right now. We're talking about where we're gonna camp, Rock. I say we do it.
I mean, it's really pretty.
It is pretty. Well, guys, it's feeling pretty warm in there. I think it's safe to bring Rye in. I think it's safe.
Hi.
It's warm. Come on in.
Oh, joy.
It is. I think you're good.
Okay.
Don't let the heat out. Don't let the heat out.
Stinker. Do you just own the place?
She feels very at home here. Well, it's a whopping 45 degrees. Seems warmer than that, but considering that it's like 13 outside, that's a good improvement. See you in a sec. Now that the cabin is warmed up, I'm gonna kind of give you the lay of the land a little bit. Look how beautiful this is. As I've said before, this state forest is incredible. I'm always just like so blown away by how beautiful it is and how much you can really do. Look at all these crows. There's got to be some sort of a kill or something over there. That's kind of the lay of the land. The lake, slough, whatever, it's back that way. It's also pretty cool to note that right next to this state forest is a national wildlife refuge. Furnace is working, always good. In you go. So as Rylie mentioned earlier, I finally have a water heater that will allow me to take showers, hot showers on demand with propane. And my goal is to test it out on this trip. All right, guys, before I get too cozy in there, I think it's time to test out this shower. So this is it, you guys. This is the HOTTAP Nomad from Joolca. I've been wanting one forever, and I'm really excited to be testing it out. So this is for our propane. We will connect that to our tank. All right, now we got to hook up our nozzle. We're gonna go with the shower nozzle here, but the Nomad comes with a sink nozzle as well, but we just need the shower right now. I pre-mounted the nozzle holder, or whatever you want to call it, up here, and then we simply take our hose and run that into our water heater down below. Now next, we got to use our off-grid water pump. It's gonna require 2 hoses, one that's gonna go into our water source and one that's gonna come out of the pump into the water heater. Now is the moment of truth. We're gonna test this puppy out and we're gonna see if I can take a hot shower in the frigid Minnesota winter. Well, we'll see if it works. I have no idea if it's starting or not. Ooh, the temperature is rising in the water. Yeah, it's getting hot. All right, it's time for a shower. That's unbelievable. I'm gonna turn the water down. It's hot. It's amazing. This is incredible. It's hot. It's legitimately hot. I cannot believe this, and it was instantaneous. If anyone drives by, they're gonna think I am absolutely insane. Another function of this thing is you can take the nozzle off, as you can see. It also has a water flow shut on, shut off switch, so I can kill it if I need to. Uh-oh, I think I'm getting low on water. Oh yeah, I'm running out of water. That means I gotta get inside. We're gonna cut it off. Turn that off. Turn that off. I gotta get inside. Woo!
Hurry!
Hot shower in the winter.
Oh my gosh!
Isn't that insane?
How do you feel?
I feel great. That was it was amazing. Like, honestly, the water was piping hot.
Yeah.
It felt really good. And if we were like living out of this thing, would it be hard? Sure, but you could take hot showers out there. Like,
that's awesome.
For
Just
sure.
how quick it was to set up. Oh my gosh, that took less than 5 minutes.
So quick. Thumbs up from this guy. Well, guys, it's almost dark. And I figured before it gets completely dark, I want to show you a brand new addition to the cabin. I'm pretty stoked about this one. I added a couple of drop-down legs onto the bottom here to make our ramp into a full-blown patio. Check it out. In the summertime, we'll be able to put a couple chairs on this bad boy and sit out and enjoy the view. The legs do get a little taller to make it a full, flat surface. But for now, I'm just leaving them like this. But nice little patio. I think dinner is next. Rye, what are you whipping up?
Some burgers. Baby's hungry too.
Baby's hungry?
She's kicking a lot. Oh, I love this.
Yeah,
this is
see?
so awesome. Oh my gosh, it has a light. I love how organized it is.
Yeah, look. Think about this, you guys. We have 2 humans and a dog, a big dog in here.
3 humans.
Oh, we do have 3 humans. Oh my gosh, we have 3 humans and a dog in here. Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Put a little tomato on there, a little avocado, a little mustard, a little lettuce.
Good? Good.
How is it?
It's really good.
You did a good job.
Thank you.
It's bedtime. Tell our friends, how is it sleeping in a twin bed in here?
We're side sleepers, so right now it works for us. It really does. I'm not just trying to be like, oh yeah, everything's hunky-dory. Like, we've had to adjust and get used to things in here, but now we are. Now we're used to it.
All right, guys, it is time for bed. Good night.
Good night.
Well, guys, it looks like we got some more snow overnight. I wanted to get up really quick and check the diesel heater to see how the fuel is. We've been running it super high. Fuel level's pretty good. Gone through about half a tank. I think I might just add more just to be safe. Really shows that when it's cold, this cabin, since it doesn't have insulation, it goes through the heat. It goes through the fuel pretty quickly. Geese or swans are super loud. It's probably a trumpeter swan. In there. There you go. Good dog. Come on, Ellie. Let's go. Look how well you can see here with that vest in there. It's great. Look how pretty this is, though. This is Minnesota in the winter, you know. Ooh, you can see we have deer. These are definitely deer tracks. Look at that. Pretty cool, Hyle. Yeah. Here's the lake from the other side. Stunning. I think the cabin is somewhere right over there. All right, guys. I think we should head back. Okay, back at the cabin. It's so incredible to be able to come out for just a night like this and experience cabin life. Like, yes, it's a tiny cabin, but to be able to sit here and have coffee and last night be watching movies and going for hikes and just laughing and enjoying our time together in a beautiful place like this, it's priceless. And so honestly, that's the whole point of our channel and of our YouTube videos, is to show you that, like, you can do this and it adds so much to your life, and it adds so many precious memories. And yeah, I just love it. Oh, bare feet on the cold metal. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. We had a blast, right?
Yeah, we had a great time.
If you're enjoying these videos, make sure to give us a like, comment, and subscribe. It really, really helps us out. And I want to give a special thank you to Joolca for our HOTTAP Nomad Kit. We'll see you guys on the next adventure. Have a blessed day, and we'll see you next time.